Hello viewers, welcome to DataSkills Academy. In today's tutorial, we'll be taking a closer look at the Power BI interface, guiding you through each section and its functionalities to enhance your navigation and usage skills. Power BI Workspace is organized into three main views: Report View, Table View, and Model View, each with its unique tools and features. Report View. This space is designed for crafting your visualizations and arranging them on the report canvas. To the right, you'll find three essential panes. The visualization pane allows for the selection and customization of charts and graphs. The data pane lists all imported datasets and their fields, ready to be dragged into your visuals. The filter pane enables you to apply filters at the visual, page, and report levels for precise data control. The ribbon above hosts a variety of tools for importing data, accessing Power Query, inserting text boxes, shapes, and images, and applying different themes to your report. The central canvas is where you design visuals and create dashboards and reports. At the bottom of the window you can find page tabs for managing multiple pages. Data View. This view presents your data in a table format, allowing for basic manipulations. Similar to Report View, the data pane here shows your imported datasets and fields. The ribbon, particularly the Modeling tab, provides options for managing data types, creating calculated columns, and establishing table relationships. The central canvas displays your data in a spreadsheet-like format, enabling table navigation and data operations directly. Model View. Here you can manage relationships between multiple imported data tables. Just like the previous two, the data pane is available to manage different tables and their field properties. In the Properties pane, when you select a table, it allows you to see and edit various attributes of that table, such as its name and description. Selecting a specific field or column within a table, you can view and modify the field's data type, and set other field-specific settings. When a relationship between tables is selected, the Properties pane shows details about that relationship. This includes the tables and columns involved, the type of relationship, the filter direction, and whether the relationship is active or inactive. The ribbon offers essential tools for data modeling, including managing relationships between tables, creating new tables via DAX, and auto-detecting relationships. The canvas visually represents your data model, illustrating the interconnections between tables. Stay tuned for the next lesson. If you've learned something new from this video and looking for tutorials similar to this, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming tutorials.